Hello, beautiful people. Welcome back to New Face Entertainment. We thank you. We appreciate you for coming. And also, for those who are coming for the first time, please hit the red subscribe button, and God will continue to bless you in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Hi, guys. The Lakers fans are really doing more than voting to ensure that he emerges winner of the Big Brother Naija Lockdown House. They are all doing all the possible best, from the likes of Nkechi Blessing. Nkechi Blessing did a lot, a lot. In fact, if you see one of Nkechi Blessing's picture or video she posted on her Instagram page, you see Lakers frame gadagba like this for in house. She just called herself Mama Lekon. So as in she went extra, she went too far to make sure that he just win the Big Brother Naija show. Even Funmi Awelewa is not even left behind. In fact, Funmi Awelewa is planning a party, a party after he's been declared the winner, and she's organizing the party in her house. And even Ijebu actor Ijebu is not even left behind. Ijebu is sharing money, sharing fuel, for them to just make sure that they vote Lekon, and many more like that. Even actor Lateef Adedimeji, and even many more that we can't just keep mentioning. Same also Tiana. Tiana takes Lekon's case to River Peters Osun in Osun State after she visited Osun State. So, in a video that emerged on social media, the fashion entrepreneur identified as Tiana could be seen in the midst of Osun and others as she asked the River Princess to pray for Lekon's emergence as Big Brother Naija winner. Now, so Osun began to pray for Lekon. A young man beside her played one of Lekon's each song with flute, and every other person said her amen to the River Princess prayer. As the woman they pray, now everybody they say amen. I beg now women as we say, what made people to love Lekon like this? Is it his intelligence, or I don't know? He has two fans, and he's not even doing too well like others like Kidwaya, Erika, Nengi, even all them that they are just giving us something to talk about. They're giving us show, as in it was even after Ozo got evicted that Nengi and Lekon started all this, all this something they started giving us hot she gets. So, and even before this, people have just been loving him, as in campaigning for him, doing a lot of things everywhere. Vote Lekon, this, that. So it just surprises me. I was just keep wondering, as somebody commented that maybe it's because of his sickle cell disease that is making people to love him. But I'm glad to tell you that even before people discovered that he's a sickle cell patient, he got fans already. People were going mad, going extra miles for him, voting for him, doing a lot of things for him. And I can categorically say all the celebrities, Odunlade Adekola, all the celebrities voted for him, even Femi Adebayo. So I was wondering that they not other people like Nkechi Blessing said that people has slammed her, abused her, called her names because she's campaigning and voting for a Yoruba person. She did not see other person there, she did not see evil person there. Why is she going for a Yoruba person, stuff like that? But she's just going after her spirit, so all what they're saying doesn't concern her, this and that. So I kept wondering that, wow, this Lekon really has grace working for him to just convert all the whole half of the world or the celebrity to himself. So it's really worth it. And you can see the Tiana also make sure that she did her best also to make sure that he also declared the winner. And we're all waiting for the winner. There's no comment that says that, there's one person that commented that says, except Biggie don't want to die, that's when he will not declare Lekon as the winner of the Big Brother Naija show. And with everything we've been seeing now, the possibility is just so sure. Even all the remaining housemates, all the remaining finalists, they've all declared, because they will just have to pick one person. They will have to vote one person out. So they've all, like, I think they've all decided that they are going to vote Laycon, because even all of them, they knew, and I think it's just for real, and it has been open to them for real, that is Laycon that is going to win this year's season BB Naija. And even there's one post I saw, like, they said they should fear V. That V has already seen everything. Like, she was like, 3 girls are going to be evicted and she's going to be among the finalists, and she just like stated some of the somethings, and it was just as she has predicted. It was just as she has predicted. So the person was like, they should fear Vio, that she has predicted all this and it happens according to how she predicted it. She said there's only one female with her that will be left in the Big Brother Naija with the other 3 guys. And yes, it's just the real. You can see that they were just 3 guys and 3 girls and 2 guys, as Laycon and Dorothy, V and Nengi. So there were just 5 that remains in the Big Brother Naija show. So wow, Laycon, we just wish you all the best. As the brace is working for you, we just pray it continues to work for you, even inside the house. Like, he broke the record to reach 1 million followers while still in the house, which has never happened in the series, as in the series of Big Brother Naija. Ever since they've started, he reached 1 million followers on Instagram, and even he has got so many views, he has got so many people. Even Davido has promised to sign him immediately he leaves the Big Brother Naija show, and I'm very sure many other ambassadors deals are waiting for him also, and people who are really waiting for him to come out to start exploring what they have in store for him. As we saying that Erica, after Erica left the house, she just got a big ambassador deal, and which keeps her pumping, and so many more of them. In fact, Negi's Laycon's own is just too much to be talked about. So we just wish him all the best in his interview. So you just go to the comment section, drop your comments and your likes to this video. Thank you.
Laycon, òun ló wà ní Big Brother, òun la fẹ́ kó win yẹn, òun ni ẹ̀yin ló mọ ní tẹ́ḿpìlẹ̀ yẹn. Ìfẹ́ tó bá ṣàdúrà tó Laycon pé Big Brother yẹn o, kó má ṣòdòrò fún wa o, ká má gbọ́ kọ́la, wọ́n yàn jẹ o. Laycon, òun láti win Big Brother yẹn o. Yes, bẹ́ẹ̀ni mà. Àṣẹ. Àṣẹ.
Iwájú lé wà, ìbéèrè sí. Bí wọ́n ṣe fẹ́ mú ẹjọ́ ìyàwó ìlú lẹ́ka wọn kọ̀ sí lẹ́ka lẹ́ka tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́ka tẹ́lẹ̀ láì lẹ́ka tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́ka olúborí lẹ́ka tẹ́lẹ̀ lẹ́ka
Please subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. Subscribe. Share this video. Subscribe to this channel. Tell your friends to subscribe to this channel. Subscribing to this channel is very, very